Welcome, today in front of me OPPO F21 Pro 5G, and I'll show you how to change screen recorder sound settings on this device. So let's just first launch the settings application and then scroll down to the system settings. Then here click to the screen recording section, and now we can see here the sound settings. We can use the system sound, the ringtones, media, just from different notification sounds, or also we can use the microphone to command something. We can use those two features together, or we can also use them separately. If we will turn off these two features together, so we will just record the mood video. And that's it. Also, we have the second way how we can activate the screen recording settings. We should just open the notification panel here, and after that hold for a while the screen recording icon, and you launch the same screen recording settings. And that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.